Good to have you with us. You're watching the news. I'm Avni Raja. We're making a start here with breaking news. We're continuing to follow up the case of Mumbai pit deaths. It's been 10 days since two children fell into an open, unbarricaded pit and died in the Antop Hill area of Mumbai. While we know Central Public Works Department was responsible for the maintenance of the pit, no official of the agency has been quizzed so far. In this case, the contractor and supervisor have been arrested and are in judicial custody. Disha joining us for more details here. Disha, there have been a couple of arrests here, but the main agency that was in charge of maintenance of that specific pit, nobody has even been questioned, let alone any further action.
Well, that is right, Avni. Remember this incident where two young boys died by drowning into a water pit happened on 25th of October this year. It's been 10 days to that incident and no official from the CPWD, the main agency, that Central Public Works Department that had given the work to the contractor, nobody has been called for questioning. So, of course, in the last 10 days, the contractor who had, taken up the work from the CPWD, the supervisor who was supposed to supervise the entire maintenance and the repairing work, both of them have been arrested. They are in judicial custody. But when it comes to the top-notch people, always in such incidents, the top people are always left out. The agencies are not even questioned. And this time also, it's happening the same. It's been 10 days and not even the concerned officer has been called for questioning purposes. Forget about the action in concern. Remember, this is the story of two young boys who were playing in a garden area where there was this 10 feet deep water pit which was being under repair for the last 15 to 20 days. And they fell into that water pit and they died by drowning. That water pit was not even covered or barricaded. No signs of warning or not even a simple, barricading was also done to ensure people that this is an unsafe area and it's a dangerous area. And that, of course, negligence cost lives of these two young boys. But the concerned official has not been arrested or even called for questioning yet in this case. When we spoke to the investigating officer of the Antop Hill police station, he clearly said that they had written a letter to the CPWD's main office in Delhi that there is this case which needs to be investigated. The Delhi office has spoken about one concerned officer who had given the work to the contractor. But that concerned officer from Mumbai has not been called yet. So perhaps, Avni, like we stated when we were doing our coverage earlier as well, because they are not this, children of a top Bollywood star or they are not children of a top politician or a top business tycoon. That's the reason the investigation is going on in a very slow manner. And at the end, the parents are still waiting for the justice that needs to be prevailed in this entire case.
Yes, absolutely, Disha. This is absolutely the horrific way of handling this entire case. Thank you so much for joining us.